from yoga. Today a task is assigned by Osbert sir where students have to cook food and they have to represent their food by their own. I hope you will love that video. Watch this video. This is going to be a rock video, something crazy, something very new. So are you ready, students?
Yes!
Okay.
Super delicious. We didn't expect from sir that it's gonna be really super because we knew that sir is perfect at teaching but didn't know that cooking. Oh my god, super.
So if I talk about the potato bowl, so it had two fabulous, and if I talk about the gravy, which I loved and I want to make at my home, and I will ask recipe from Oswald.
This one is going to be very crazy because this one is going to be Shahi Tukda. We are gonna love it for sure. We'll start by you.
Oh, that's great. If I talk about in the question was time, so it was very fabulous. So being a person who does not know how to cook, so it is a very extraordinary experience for me.
Thank you so much, Charanjit. Hi guys. Hi. Sir, did you like it?
Loved it.
Thank you so much. We will have from this.
It is too tasty. Yeah. When I had it, it was amazing. But it is amazing now. I would like to have one more.
But you have to speak in English, not Hindi.
I'm telling about English that when I had the chutney of Pratiksha, there was no salt, there was no only chili. How can a person eat it? So, but in a fake smile, I had to say that it was amazing, but it was not.
Okay guys, this is going to be very crazy because everybody loves Litti Chokha here. What are your reviews as you are from Bihar?
I am from Bihar and this is very famous dish ever. Okay, trust me, and it is very healthy if you eat it. So you can gain your weight. It has a sattu. You can especially get from Bihar, and it is made by brinjal, potato. Okay, and there are so many ingredients which I don't know because I am bad at cooking. So you are gonna love it, and the chutney is too amazing. So let's taste it, guys.
Yeah, I'm waiting for your review.
Okay guys, so as you can see, here is a sattu.
Is it amazing? That's so nice, sir loved it. Otherwise, that means it's amazing. Sir, it is so amazing. She worked hard as hot on it and they are so tasty and I loved it. I hope everybody is gonna love it. Thank you. Shut up!
Okay, so hello everyone, this is Amit Singh and today I cooked aloo the paratha because right now I'm representing my Punjab, you can say, because my maybe right setting everybody will taste and feel the Punjabi vibes. That's it. So Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today I'm here to distribute everybody paratha from the Punjab. Everybody knows.
We are gonna love it for sure.
With achar too.
That's so nice. That's so Indian authentic food.
Very good. I'm representing here.
What are your reviews? What are your reviews, guys?
If I talk about in the cuisine and my style, so it was fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Extraordinary.
What are your reviews about it? You will take some time.
Yeah. Too much, little bit salty it is, and yeah, it's too nice.
Well done, Joy.
Thank you guys.
You have gotten it?
Yes, I have gotten it.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was very fabulous. It was very cheesy and everything was very fantastic. I loved it.
You liked it?
I loved it.
That's open it.
Na-na-na-na-na.
Yay! Start it. Did you like it? No. Oh, that was so
And it's very nice with Kisan ketchup. But it is so nice. It is so delicious. It is just like restaurant. Yeah, that's it. First time first time.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Do you like it? Thank you. I'm here for your review.
Don't you have sauce?
We have tried
Would you
so
please
many
be quiet and review in a good manner only?
It is crunchy, so tasty, but there is no sauce. But yet it is crunchy.
It's dry. It's good, but I really loved it.
Thank you.
But I am not
What are your reviews, Krish?
It was too good and fabulous too. And I have tried so many things. And Shahi Tukda, one of the best.
Thank you. What are your reviews now?
If I talk about the review of this batch, it is very fantastic. You know, if I talk about the students in this batch, they are very fabulous. They are Kushi ma'am. Kushi ma'am, it is totally awful.
So Kushi ma'am, please tell your review
I'll have it
and
first.
first have it
Yeah.
for a while.
Whatever it is, I just loved it. It is so fabulous. I just want to appreciate her efforts, and it is so amazing. Being somebody who doesn't know how to cook, that is so lovely. Thank you so much.
You have prepared them?
Yeah.
What are these?
It is Suji grill burger.
Oh my god, they are gonna love it for sure. Are you liking it, guys? Yeah! Are you enjoying it? Yeah! Are you also guys enjoying it? Yeah! Guys, did you enjoy the dhokla? Yeah! Do you want to say something, Vansh?
No.
No. I will give it to you. It's very delicious and it's very good too. And I have never ever tried dhokla in my entire life, but I will try now.
What are your reviews about it?
It is looking very weird, but in eating it is very good.
That's really nice.
But going there, so why the taste is not visible in that how it's tasting.
Okay, thank you for the review.
For me, it's very delicious. I have tried it at my home and it's very delicious. I will give down.
Okay. I like the confidence, girl.
As for my dish, it is the only one which I taste very good.
What are your reviews about it?
It is good. Okay, it's a spring roll which we purchase on shop. Okay, and you can see spring roll. I love it, and I want to make it, and I will guess. And what should I will ask the recipe.
And guys, today I have cooked the soya chili. I hope you will like it.
Okay, we will love it. We will taste it.
And it is spicy and salty, and it is very good. And she has put a black pepper a lot. I think that's the reason I was coughing a lot, and I think it's very good. But she should use black pepper less.
What are your reviews about this?
It is very delicious and yummy. I'm going to eat it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and it's good and delicious. It's very amazing, and I love the gravy. Thanks. Very nice.
What have you prepared?
I prepared a sandwich. I used cheese slice and paneer slice and much some vegetables in the my sandwich, and it is very precious only for the teachers.
Okay. So open it. We want to have a look.
It is broken right now.
It's all right. What have you prepared?
This is bread roll.
Okay, do you people like it? Yeah. Okay, I want you to eat and review it out.
You went full.
Not sad. Don't make it again. Sir was right.
It's okay, but she put some efforts and hard work. You should appreciate that.
Yes, I think that it was the best food because the age which she has, it is very little, and the food which she had made, it is very delicious. So I think that it is the best food.
Sir is very desperate to eat sambar. Come. What are your reviews, Spider sir? You guys like the food? Yeah. have eaten?
I think that it is the best food. And right now I'm thinking that I'm at the wedding because the food which I'm getting I cannot get it in the wedding too. And it is looking like that I'm VIP because I'm not going to food. Food is coming to me. So that's why I think that
That is a positive point. What about you?
Yeah, if I talk about food, food is very good. And if I talk about the worst food, that is Arshivams and Lakshita World.
If I talk about in the political movement, it was very parallel. And I just want to today, so many foods, and I really loved Goshia's one because it was very healthy to eat, and as you can see that I'm very thin, so I love to eat healthy food, so it was really delicious. And I ate Yuvraj sandwich, I loved it. Spring roll, Naman and Tapasya, loved it. Halwa also, it was tasty. Spider sir also loved it. And aloo paratha, it was also tasty. Because as I have already told you, I love to eat healthy food. And trust me guys, there are so many students, they have done really too much hard work. So I would not say I didn't like anyone's food. Yeah, but I loved Shahi Bun because I want to I always love to eat healthy food and all. So that's it.